Hey you guys, what's up? So it's that time of the month again where we are going to be unboxing this month's Boxycharm. Let's jump into it. I do want to put a little disclaimer at the beginning of this video that Boxycharm did send me this box to try. All right, so opening this month's box, we have the product card, and this month's theme is Dusk Till Dawn. The first product in this month's Boxycharm box is the Thebriabeauty Glow Perfect Face Palette. You guys, this palette is stunning. I have it on my face today, and the packaging is so blinding and so beautiful. And here is what it looks like when you open it up. You have your contour, your blush, and your highlight. And as we can tell, it is just so stunning. Real quick, I just want to swatch these for you guys. So here we have the bronzer or contour shade. It is so buttery. Here we have what I would use as the highlight, which I did use today. And here we have the blush, which I also used today. And the way that the blush and highlight just kind of blend together to create this golden peachy goodness, it's just so stunning. The Thebriabeauty Glow Perfect Face Palette retails for $34. Next, we have the LaRousse Beauty Christine Set. And this is a makeup brush set, you guys. They're all dirty because I did use them today. They have kind of a textured wand. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera or not. There you go. And the bristles are just so soft. The Christine set includes a duo fiber cheek brush, a small angled cheek brush, a small concealer brush, a small flat shader brush, and a medium domed blending brush. The LaRousse Beauty Christine set retails for $50. Next, we have the Galactic Metallic Eye Sparkle. And you guys, this is so pretty. Look at that. It is so blinding, so gorgeous. I'm in love. It's really velvety as well. And let me show you guys what it looks like when you blend it out a little bit. So pretty. The Galactic Metallic Eye Sparkle retails for $20. Next, we have the Queen Bow Down Brow Glue, and this packaging is so cute. And this is a eyebrow gel or eyebrow glue that is going to hold your eyebrows in place all day. It's a transparent formula, so it's going to look good on every single brow. It's non-flaky, non-sticky, and it's a 16+ hour wear. The Queen Studio Bow Down Brow Glue retails for $16. Last but not least, in this month's Boxycharm box, we have the Beauty for Certain lipstick, and this is in the shade number 18. And I do have this on my lips today. It is a super pretty peachy nude pink, and it's just so stunning. The Beauty for Certain Deluxe Lipstick retails for $18. Well, that is it, you guys, for this month's Boxycharm box. I am absolutely loving everything in this month's box. And yeah, I cannot wait to play with it some more. And if you do want to look into Boxycharm and possibly get one, you can use my link to shop below in the description box. I do make a little money from that link, so you guys would be not only helping me out, but also getting your very own Boxycharm. I just want to say a big thank you to Boxycharm for sending me another box to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very soon. Bye, you guys.